Did you know that about 20 muscles are supporting the shoulders and allowing it to turn and rotate in many directions? Yes, you heard that right. Hi guys, so today in Follow the Fives, we're going to talk about 5 exercises for stronger shoulder muscles that can be done at home without any equipment. Starting off with the first exercise, plank up. How to do it? Start in a plank position on your elbows, straight line from heels to shoulders. Keeping your core tight, place the palm of one hand on the floor and push up, following with the other arm until you are in a push-up position. Lower yourself back to the elbow plank position, one arm at a time. Up with both arms and down with both arms is one rep. Muscles that are targeted: shoulders, triceps and abs. The next exercise is plank to downward dog. How to do it? Start in a plank position with arms straight, core braced and neck, shoulders, hips and ankles in one line. Exhale and you lift your hips, transferring your weight back and aiming to create a straight line from wrists to hips before lowering back into the starting position. Muscles that are targeted: shoulders, hamstrings, biceps and triceps. Moving on to the next one, push back, push up. How to do it? Start in a push-up position but with feet a bit wider than shoulder width. Brace your core and lower your body towards the floor, leading with your chest. Instead of pushing straight up from the floor as you would in a regular push-up, push the upper body back towards your heels. As the upper body goes back, bend your legs and let your hips rise as the upper body comes back to meet them. Muscles that are targeted: abdominals, pectorals, triceps, deltoids and shoulders. Moving on to the next one, incline push-ups. How to do it? Start in a plank position with hands, shoulders width apart and elevated on a chair or a bench. Lower your chest forward toward the chair, then use the chest and triceps to push back up to the starting position. You should feel more activation in the lower fibers of your chest muscles with an incline push-up rather than with a traditional push-up on a flat surface. Muscles that are targeted: pectorals, deltoids, triceps and shoulders. Coming on to the last exercise, prone T. How to do it? Lie face down on the floor with your face and neck comfortable and supported. Extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape, then raise arms and chest and hold for a couple of seconds before lowering. Muscles that are targeted: shoulders, back extensors. Hope these exercises will help you build stronger shoulder muscles without using any equipment. But don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.